seems that the residents of the local apartment decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up.
KOD.
I stashed a remote trigger bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now put it down next to the apartment block. Great, now get out of there and blow them sky high. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash. Get back to the phones for some more missions. Louise, Francis inside drug lord has got a ship to pick in a bus to east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden getaway near the smoke. Remember that the petrol tank is in the back of the bus. Just make sure you only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as an testing. As we say in German, gut gemacht. Here's your money, but keep an eye out for the cops. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. The private crime law has given into our ransom plans. It would rather than do a video parked in the south. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car parked in the south of the city and make a break. Get back in the car. Oh, that's just okay. You're never going to make the trade now, idiot. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch.
Ayo, scroll up. Huh.
The boss wife has been visiting a friend. Go up. Get back in the car. Ah, idiot. Get back to the phones for some more missions. Inside this truck are several remote control cars fitted with explosives. Use them to blow up other cars. You can get more than 50,000 points in the next minute. I'll give you 3 extra points. Ah, very nice. It's an extra 100 grand for your trouble. Oh well, that was pretty dumb. Okay, you should enjoy this. Get in the truck parked by the hotel. Ah, you're useless, you know that. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions.
What's this idiotic blue vapor doing here?
The rival gang are meeting at some building to the northwest. Wait there.
KO!
Ciao, they're up to you. Nice one, now get the rest. Nice one, now get the rest. Nice one, now get the rest. Ah, great, here's your money. A friend's just one outlet. I'm begging his wife. Waste him, or he tracks me down. Ah, nice done. Here's your money. Go to the payphones for more missions.
Wait a minute. Is that a secret car?
Sorry, I need the wheels.
I know what secret vehicle is. It's a pug racer.
I stop the car next to you. Find it before it comes to you. Great. Now take it to Kenny's garage in the south of the city. The cops are after you, so better watch out. What are you doing? Get back in the car. Hey! You just destroyed the car!